Okay, now in this video, we are going to see the advanced searching methods. We have a fairly simple kind of invoices that we have. That's just about for every car part. Imagine we have a business that sells the car parts, and we have purchased engine, car shocks, filters, and we have some of them in stock. So whenever an item comes, we will just note all the information related to that. Engine, we have the part number for that. If there is any product code, what is the make, and in which location it is stored right now. Does it have any warranty, and if yes, how much, and what is the price. We have 8 items in stock. So just imagine that we have 800 items. We want to make a searching box, so whenever a customer comes and asks information for any of the product, we have this available right there in our fields. As we enter it here, we will get all the information related to that. For example, if we write tires, we will get the part number, product code, make, location, warranty, and its price automatically. So to get started, we need to think that first, if we don't have any formula, how will you do it manually? If a customer wants to know that in which location is the tires, so what you will do is just find tires in the list. Okay, let me find it for you. Engine, car shocks, no. Filters, no. Seat covers, and alloy rims, and tires. Okay, I have the tires. And then you will jump over to the relevant column and tell him that, okay, it's still in the factory and it has a warranty for 2 years. So that's exactly what computer does for you. You are looking up for something that is called the lookup value. And how you are searching that first in this car parts list is vertical. So this is called VLOOKUP. Okay, so that's a fairly simple thing. If I write the tires in my searching box, it should show all the formulas. So I will apply a formula here, equals to VLOOKUP. It looks for the value in the leftmost column of the table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. So I will hit tab, and then the lookup value will be this. I want to find this, comma. Okay, where do you want to find? The table array is bold. So I want to find it in this whole table. Whenever it specifies select the table array, you have to select the whole table. And then comma. Okay, now the answer is in which column, because Excel cannot move automatically as we move, but we have to specify the column. Okay, I'm in part number, so in the data set, it is the second column. So I will write I need the answer of 2 whenever you find tires in the list, and then comma, ranged lookup. That is approximate and exact match. Approximate match is used for calculation of taxes. For example, you have the income of 25,353 and you have the tax band that if your income falls in 20 to 30,000, then it contains a tax rate of 20%. So in that case, we will use it. If you want to find the exact results, you always have to use the exact match. So in this situation, we will use exact match. We will drag one arrow key downwards and then select tab. It will automatically show false. So false is for exact match. If you put 0, it also means exact match. So approximate match is 1 or true, and exact match is 0 or false. Both are the same thing. And if we close the bracket and hit enter, there we have the answers. Now if I change this to brakes, it will automatically show up the part number related to that. Now we want all the results for all the fields. In order to do that, you need to fix the values. The lookup value is whatever contained in this cell, so this cell should always be fixed. Press F4, and then as we move and drag towards right, this whole table will start moving its position from here to the right. So this should not move its place, because always we have to find this data within this range, because we don't have any other cells containing the data set. So we will select this table and fix it with F4, and then we can hit enter. Do we have to change any other thing? No. If no, then hit enter. Now what will happen if I drag this formula towards right? What do you think? It will show up all the similar values. Why? Because we haven't changed the column index number. So we have to open each and every formula, and since we are in product code, in the data set it has the column 3, so we can delete this and change towards 3 and hit enter. There we have the answers, and we have to do the similar here and here and here and here. But do we have to do this manually, or we have another way? As I told you before, that you can make a fixed number related to a relative reference which automatically changes. That means if I write these numbers over here, this is the second column, this is third column, and we can also drag this column towards right and fill series. So we have all the column numbers. Why I've extracted these column numbers? Because rather mentioning this manually, I will just refer to this cell. Okay, just pick the column index number from this cell. So whatever is present in this column, it will automatically take that column and select the answers. So as we move and drag towards right, it will automatically change to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So does it requires any fixing? No, because it has to move. So hit enter and then move towards right, and there you have all the answers. So if I change now to engine, it will automatically show up all the details related to that. Isn't that awesome? So this is the most important formula in Excel. So most of the organizations test your Excel knowledge by asking you of VLOOKUP. So that's the most important formula in Excel. So that's VLOOKUP, one of the amazing formulas in Excel.